This is a $125 million billionaire Zen sanctuary in Bel Air, and it's mind-blowing. Every single inch of this 45,000 square foot estate was engineered for pure, untouchable luxury perfection. Step inside this jaw-dropping grand foyer, where raw architectural concrete meets high-gloss espresso walnut floors instantly. Host your ultra-wealthy guests in this formal drawing room, completely wrapped in warm woods and structural glass. This primary living lounge is absolutely massive, featuring stunning designer taupe furniture and a towering raw concrete fireplace.
You have never seen a master kitchen like this, featuring double concrete islands and insane high-gloss cabinetry.
Dine like royalty at this 20-person high-gloss walnut table, enveloped by massive structural glass walls overlooking Bel Air. Look at this insane floating staircase with massive structural glass railings and breathtaking interior botanical Zen garden elements. Walking down these corridors feels like a billionaire movie set, with endless glass walls and rich espresso wood. This casual media room redefines entertainment with insanely plush seating and warm architectural concrete enclosing the entire space. Every single seating area in this estate was custom designed to blend raw industrial scale with organic warmth. Behind the master kitchen lies this massive hidden prep kitchen, wrapped in polished walnut and concrete for private chefs. Extending straight from the prep area, this secondary service kitchen boasts monolithic concrete countertops and structural glass partitions. Even the pantry storage room looks like a modern luxury boutique, with floor-to-ceiling glass cases and walnut shelves. Check out the flawless craftsmanship on these custom espresso walnut cabinet doors, with integrated glass and soft-touch closing. This indoor dining extension offers seamless transition into an executive lounge, featuring raw concrete walls and custom taupe seating. Start your morning in this sunlit breakfast nook, surrounded by floor-to-ceiling glass and rich forest green accents. Fuel your day at this custom coffee bar, complete with espresso walnut paneling, polished concrete, and glass beverage displays. The primary master suite is pure perfection, with a floating walnut bed, raw concrete feature wall, and glass views. Step into the primary ensuite bathroom, featuring a stunning freestanding tub, raw concrete walls, and massive glass enclosures.
This boutique-style walk-in closet is entirely wrapped in high-gloss espresso walnut and floor-to-ceiling glass display cases.
Her private suite features soft taupe textures, a stunning walnut bed, and massive structural glass looking over the estate. The makeup room is an ultra-luxurious sanctuary featuring bespoke walnut cabinetry, glowing mirrors, and sleek concrete wall accents. Treat your VIP guests to ultimate luxury in this suite, wrapped in glossy walnut ceilings and sheer glass partitions. Even the secondary master bedroom screams billionaire tier with floor-to-ceiling glass walls and gorgeous architectural concrete elements. The VIP guest bathroom features a custom concrete soaking tub, floating walnut vanities, and seamless structural glass shower walls. Every guest suite guarantees a 5-star experience, with rich espresso walnut flooring and beautiful forest green accent chairs. This stunning guest bathroom maintains the home's aesthetic with minimalist concrete sinks framed by warm glass and walnut tones. Another immaculate guest bathroom showcasing flawless architectural concrete and warm lighting over high-gloss espresso walnut accents. The family bedroom suite is insanely spacious, featuring gorgeous taupe furnishings and massive structural glass exterior walls. This kids' entertainment room features custom walnut gaming consoles perfectly set against raw architectural concrete wall finishes. A dedicated study room with stunning floating walnut desks directly facing those jaw-dropping floor-to-ceiling windows. Relax in this upstairs family lounge, complete with striking forest green seating and a cozy architectural concrete fireplace. The entertainment hall boasts a custom high-gloss walnut billiards table, overlooking the estate through massive glass walls. Experience billionaire movie nights in this immersive plush velvet cinema room, wrapped in dark walnut and acoustic concrete. Host epic billionaire parties in this jaw-dropping event space, featuring polished walnut floors and structural glass ceilings. Store your finest collections in this completely transparent structural glass wine vault, backed by raw architectural concrete walls. Get lost in this massive home library featuring double-height espresso walnut shelves and quiet taupe reading nooks. Command your billion-dollar empire from this executive home office, framed by heavy concrete and glass walls. This state-of-the-art home gym features sleek walnut accents, concrete walls, and endless glass views. Find your ultimate inner peace inside this dedicated meditation room, wrapped entirely in rich, glossy walnut panels. Detox in this world-class billionaire sauna, boasting gorgeous espresso walnut tiers and thick structural glass doors. The indoor spa shower offers an unreal experience with flawless glass enclosures and textured architectural concrete walls. You will not believe this incredible indoor pool lounge surrounded by colossal architectural concrete and glass pillars. This indoor relaxation pavilion blends raw concrete with gorgeous forest green plants for a perfect Wabi-Sabi vibe. Showcase your hypercar collection inside this flawless luxury garage, featuring polished concrete floors and sleek walnut paneling. Relax right by the water on this poolside deck, featuring luxurious taupe loungers and massive glass panels. Step onto this breathtaking outdoor seating area, completely matching the massive architectural concrete and glass exterior aesthetic. Look at this incredible orchard view, perfectly framed by thick structural glass and gorgeous architectural concrete pillars. This seamless indoor terrace lounge brings the beautiful forest green nature inside through gigantic structural glass walls. Experience ultimate peace in this indoor botanical zen garden, perfectly wrapped in espresso, walnut, and raw concrete. Every single wall decoration is a masterpiece, blending minimalist taupe elements against raw textured architectural concrete walls. Check out the flawless transition between these rich espresso walnut floors and seamless raw architectural concrete slabs. These massive espresso walnut doors are pure luxury, perfectly integrated into the seamless architectural concrete wall finishes. This bespoke warm lighting fixture illuminates the massive structural glass and raw concrete with absolute billionaire perfection. Drop your bags in this ultra-luxurious mudroom, highlighting flawless taupe seating and endless high-gloss walnut panels. The staff quarters offer five-star hotel vibes with rich walnut floors and gorgeous architectural concrete wall accents. Hidden service corridors are completely wrapped in high-gloss espresso walnut, ensuring seamless luxury throughout the entire mega mansion. Every single room in this billionaire sanctuary was engineered to leave you completely speechless from top to bottom. When night falls, the entire estate glows, as warm lighting reflects perfectly against structural glass and raw concrete. Look at the insane craftsmanship of these custom taupe luxury sofas, contrasting beautifully against the dark espresso walnut. Control every aspect of this billion-dollar estate with sleek glass automation panels seamlessly integrated into the concrete walls. Looking down from this interior balcony, you can truly feel the massive scale of this concrete mega mansion. Could you imagine living in this $125 million Zen sanctuary? Drop a comment below.